A manufacturing company guide. IndustryWeek.com only offers the list of the top Industry 500 to members. There is nothing at industryweek.com/preview-the-industryweek-us-500 unless you're a member. Try industryweek.com/resources/the-industryweek-1000. Facebook.com/pages/industryweek/913104888418. Twitter.com/industryweek. LinkedIn.com/company/industry-week. YouTube.com/user/industryweek. Some free articles at industryweek.com/resources. Some free articles. Articles on manufacturing products at directory.newequipment.com. Free articles. A list of 500 American manufacturing companies at trucker-path.com/upload/2017/08/top-500-manufacturing-companies-usa.pdf, no websites. Trade shows at mfgtechshow.com. See the event calendar. EndeavorBusinessMedia.com, B2B media company. Part of Industry Week. 50 best manufacturers at industryweek.com/industryweek-550-1010-1-best/articles/21171-015/2021-IW-5 0-in-the-ranks. You can see the top 50 manufacturers, but you can't copy it. Here are a few of the manufacturers I got from the article. BWX Technologies. Babcock & Wilcox Co. Lockheed Martin Corp. Boston Beer Co., Samuel Adams, Twisted Tea, and Angry Orchard. Apple Inc. PepsiCo Inc. Cintas Corp. Align Technology. A list of 100 manufacturing companies at en.wikipedia.org/wiki/list_of_manufacturing_companies_by_revenue. Thomasnet.com is a big manufacturing database. There used to be 29 volumes at the library in the era of paper. Thomasnet.com/articles/top-suppliers/manufacturing-companies. Some industrial companies at disfold.com/top-us-industrial-companies. Otis.com. RepublicServices.com. RockwellAutomation.com. PlugPower.com. TransDigm.com. Paycar.com. Corporate.carrier.com. Cintas.com. Parker.com. CumminsEurope.com. L3Harris.com. RoperTech.com. GD.com. WM.com. Emerson.com. NorthropGrumman.com. NorfolkSouthern.com. ITW.com. FedEx.com. CSX.com. LockheedMartin.com. Deere.com. GE.com. Caterpillar.com. RTX.com. 3M.com. Boeing.com. UP.com. UPS.com. Honeywell.com. A list of manufacturing companies at zipia.com/company/manufacturing. Manufacturing company websites. AAC-USA.com. AARMobilitySystems.com. ACT-I.com. Advanter.com. AECS.biz. AGILIghty.com. M2T.com. AmericanZStems.com. AmGeneral.com. AmTechCorp.com. AndersonGlobal.com. AppliedResource.com. APTEMA.com. ARA.com. AriesInc.net. ARL.psu.edu. Arma-Global.com. Arrowpoint.net. ASD-Inc.com. ASRCFederal.com. ATK.com. A-T-Solutions.com. Avonc.com. Avioninc.com. Battelle.org. bcfsolutions.com, beaconinteractive.com, beaver-online.com, bechtel.com, bnlink.com, boeing.com, boozallen.com, brightoncromwell.com, ti-hsv.comcae.com, camber.com, cgi.com, chmratingnorthamerica.com, chugash.com, cinetic-industries.com, coldcanada.com, corzystemsusa.com, ctc.com, cabarc.org, coleman.com, dac.us, datasoft.com, dayzyme.com, deployedresources.com, divtex.com, dreger.com, dynomaxinc.com, eba-d.com, elwoodgroup.com/default.aspx, msolutionsinc.com, ensco.com, esitech.com, espinc1.com, etc. md.org, etechshimulatation.com, evana-online.com, ewa.com, ewi.org, federalresources.com, finmeccanicausa.com, fit.edu, fullcrewmit.com, generaldynamics.com, gibbscox.com, globaltungsten.com, gouldglobal.com, gtdsinc.com, hellwigproducts.com, i-i.com, iapwas.com, imresponse.com, isrgroup.com, jacobs.com, janthonygroup.com, jgarantmc.com, calmanco.com, kbr.com, kbsi.com, kistler.com, chrisreinc.com, kytrailer.com, lansmont.com, lexproducts.com, lmi.org, logicos.com, logis-tech.com, m2global.com, mcgregor-group.com, manch.com, mcri.com, mct-ind.com, megaphase.com, megittdefense.com, megitttrainingsystems.com, menloworldwide.com, organcomposites.com, riglobal.org, muirtech.us, nacontrols.com, nanoprecision.com, ncdmm.org, northsidemachine.com, northwire.com, nts.com, oberg.com, oceaneering.com, ogaragroup.com, olgunic.com, o'neill.com, onesullivan.com, partslifeinc.com, pda-llc.com, peerlessprecision.com, persistencystems.com, pesystems.com, pgsinc.net, phoenixdatacorporation.com, prattmiller.com, psycases.com, psi-repair.com, pyramidimaging.com, qckslvr.com, chewallmark.com, rave.com, raven-engineering.com, radon.com, real-time.ccur.com, ricardo.com, rocket.com, rockwellcollins.com, rpicorp.net, sobgroup.com/North America, sabtech.com, salientfed.com, sgiaki.com, sdslink.com, sei.cmu.edu, sealerinsd.com, sickmarking.com, si-forest.com, skmilitary.com, smsenergetics.com, sna-software.com, spartan.com, sri.com, star3.com, steelray.com, stellarsolutions.com, supplycore.com, supreme-group.net, systech.com, tape-llc.com, technicanow.com, techemotive.com, telephonics.com, tetaratech.com, tfdg.com, thesteelmangroup.com, tiger-coatings.us, tmi-mfg.com, triplicanopi.com, trusimulation.com, tssi-ops.com, udcusa.com, urscorp.com, utrs.com, valexander.com, varian.com/sip, vectorcsb.com, versaR.com, vortexengineering.com, wbbinc.com, westpac.com, whstamp.com, zetasoft.com, zodiacaerospace.com. Research and development company websites: 1stpower.com, aarmobilitysystems.com, act-i.com, aero.org, aecs.biz, agilecoms.com, airbossdefense.com, am2t.com, amtechcorp.com, andersonglobal.com, appliedresource.com, aptima.com, ara.com, aresinc.net, arl.psu.edu, asrcfederal.com, avonc.com, avioninc.com, avon-protection.com, battelle.org, beaconinteractive.com, bechtel.com, bio-surveillance.com, boeing.com, boozalan.com, brukerdetection.com, bti-hsv.com, cae.com, chmratingnorthamerica.com, corzystemsusa.com, ctc.com, cabarc.org, cyberspaceops.com, datasoft.com, deweyelectronics.com, divtex.com, dinomaxinc.com, ecs-federal.com, elwoodgroup.com, msolutionsinc.com, etc.md.org, evana-online.com, ewa.com, ewi.org, xsolitas.com, fit.edu, fox-defense.com, generaldynamics.com, globaltungsten.com, graystea.com, grnhuntsville.com, hdtglobal.com, hoffmanengineering.com, hollowisystems.com, i-i.com, imresponse.com, intevac.com, jacobs.com, jacopanels.com, jgarantmc.com, kbsi.com, kistler.com, kytrailer.com, lgsinnovations.com, m2global.com, mak.com, mct-ind.com, megaphase.com, metavr.com, mgaresearch.com, miaeconsulting.com, motionengineering.com, mountainzcuresystems.com, mriglobal.org, muirtech.us, nanoprecision.com, ncdmm.org, noblesworldwide.com, northsidemachine.com, northwire.com, nssaerospace.com, oceaneering.com, ogaragroup.com, ornell.gov, pda-llc.com, pixia.com, prattmiller.com, pyramidimaging.com, qckslvr.com, rave.com, rct-systems.com, rocket.com, sabtech.com, sgiaki.com, sdslink.com, sealerinsd.com, shellcast.com, si-forest.com, smsenergetics.com, sna-software.com, sbarton.com, sri.com, standardarmament.com, star3.com, steelray.com, steris.com, steyear-motors.com, subsalve.com, teamtextiles.com, team-twg.com, techere.com, testcenter.se, tysontraining.com, thermoanalytics.com, thesteelmangroup.com, udcusa.com, utrs.com, versar.com, vortexengineering.com, westpac.com, whstamp.com, zodiacmillpro.com, factory tours/business tours by U.S. state, factorytour.com, factorytoursusa.com, superfactory.com, links to virtual plant tours, crmi.org, the Charles River Museum of Industry, benandjerrys.com/tourinfo.tmpl, hershey's.com/discover/visit.asp, Hershey's, sluggermuseum.org, Slugger, 1-888-magnets.com/factory.htm, airfills.com/educationaltours.asp, tour of Air Philippines Corporation facilities, asmarc.com/automecha, benjury.com/r_company/about_us/tours, boeing.com/company offices/about us/tours, budweisertours.com, bygpub.com/book/tg2rw/factory-tours.htm, cocojava.com/coco_PR_grove_confectionery.html, candy tour, colors-it.com/factory.php, factory5.com/table/company/photo tour.html, hardwaresecrets.com/article/153, a bit factory tour in Suzhou, China, harley-davidson.com, lbero.ac.uk/departments/virtual/aero-auto-entry.html, automotive engineering virtual tour, motortrend.com, auto body shop virtual tour, bradley.edu/rf/planthour.htm, plant tours on the internet, numberme.com/web_tour.php, United Motor Manufacturing virtual tour, numberme.com/web_tour.html, vehicle manufacture virtual tour, hp.com/united-states/consumer/digital_photography/tours/design_gallery/index_fl.html, justborn.com/about/factory.html, candy, kog.com/tour/tour1.html, kokomo, mushkiss.com/factorytour.asp, jewelry, phillyc.com, Philadelphia Candies Chocolate Factory Tour, real.en.alibaba.com/column/50003475.html, factory tour in Zhongshan City, China, roundhouse-eng.com/factory.htm, virtual factory tour, silverfishlongboarding.com, sunlinerv.com/index.php/about_us/factory_tour, tikhelar.nl, ceramic and tile factory tour, Leeuwarden, Netherlands, video.google.com/videoplay?doc id=3383042311441257769, Google factory tour, wardsystems.com/tours.asp, winnebagoind.com/html/company/visitus.html, Forest City, IA.